Ready, start his orders, and away they jump out. Now taking off, missing about 5 lengths at the start was Newcomer. And Ispahan takes the charge, joined by Red Bullet, who is showing plenty of speed to rest initiative. Red Bullet drawing clear by about 1.5 lengths from Ispahan. Another 3 behind Trump Boy. Racing next is Invasion, followed by, in the white cap, his own battle close to the fence, joined by Delmonico. Negros Prince is running 1 deep. They followed then by Golden Adara. All-Star General comes in next, followed by Cannon Fury. Worst in the midfield is Reach the Heights, holding the fence, joined by All the Jazz. Another 5 to 6 lengths behind are the 2 runners. That's Newcomer and Blaze of Glory also got planted as they start to negotiate the turn. Into the straight now, Red Bullet by about 5 from Ispahan, trying to bridge the gap. Another 2.5 to 3 lengths behind is Invasion. Trump Boy followed by Negros Princess. On the very wide outside is Reach the Heights, who has to cover more than a distance, as Red Bullet still holding on by about 2.5 from Ispahan, bridging the gap, followed by Invasion. Red Bullet on an empty tank, now being challenged by Ispahan, but Red Bullet from Ispahan going the better with late finishing Reach the Heights. Red Bullet has won it. It's Ispahan is the winner, beating Red Bullet. Late finisher, Reach the Heights finished 3rd. Invasion 4th. They followed then by All-Star General. Then came Delmonico and Trumpoy together. Then it was Negros Princess, Golden Adara, deep it out. It was All the Jazz, followed by Cannon Fury, and Newcomer and Blaze of Glory finished last.